Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to talk about does an insurance agent salary only come from commissions? What is the salary of an insurance agent? If this question suddenly pops into your mind when you are interested in becoming an insurance agent, try to understand this first. An insurance agent is not a permanent job, so you will not get a fixed salary every month. However, insurance agents have the opportunity to earn high and unlimited income through commissions from the sale of insurance products. However, along with increasing experience in promoting insurance products, insurance agents have promising career paths, so that in the end they can get a nominal insurance agent salary in the form of a higher commission than before. Then why would someone choose to become an insurance agent? Why didn't he choose to work as a permanent employee? This kind of question sounds very interesting, especially for those of you who want to be an insurance agent who joins an insurance company with the highest salary possible. Each occupation is good, but of course has its own advantages and disadvantages. So if you ask which job is better, of course it depends on you. Financially, permanent workers are safer than insurance agents. Why is that? As we know that they will receive a monthly salary. However, did you know that this income is passive? That is, they will not get the income if they do not work. The income is also limited in value because the nominal amount has been determined and approved by the workers and employers. Salary increases also do not occur every month, but in certain periods such as per year or so on. Unlike permanent workers who get a basic salary and allowances every month, insurance agents do not get a fixed income. That is why there is no such thing as an insurance agent salary. However, that does not mean they will not get income. The insurance agent income is calculated from the commission earned on each sale they make. However, the salary of an insurance agent or income is not limited. The more insurance products an insurance agent can sell each month, the higher the income, especially if the insurance company determines a high commission percentage for each product sold. Then what else distinguishes between insurance agents and permanent employees? In general, permanent employees of a company will get health insurance and other benefits. Even though some companies do not provide insurance and additional benefits, such as vehicle allowances, emergency fund loans, or other benefits. Unfortunately, insurance agents will not get all of these facilities. Their income is only in the form of commissions and royalties. However, many insurance companies offer attractive bonuses such as free trips to certain destinations or additional bonuses in the form of money for insurance agents who can reach the target within a certain period of time. Of course, this is also an insurance agent salary in the form of attractive benefits, right? Another difference can be seen from the working hours, where insurance agents can work flexibly. In other words, they can work anytime and anywhere without being tied to operational working hours. In addition, career path is not only influenced by education, so every insurance agent can reach to the top position and can even become the richest insurance agent. How much do agents earn? What is the form of insurance agent salary? The income of insurance agents is quite tempting because they have the challenge of being able to sell insurance products. The form of insurance agent salary or insurance agent income is generally calculated based on the API. API stands for annual premium income or premium income per year. So, to calculate the income of this one profession, it must be based on the total annual premium. Meanwhile, the amount of insurance agent salary in the form of commissions that insurance agents can get can reach 5 to 30%. However, it all comes back to the provisions and capabilities of the insurance provider. In order for insurance agents to earn a high income from high commissions, they must know the insurance company with the highest salary or commissions. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to talk about how to travel in the midst of a pandemic, protect yourself and family with travel insurance. Limiting travel is still one way to minimize the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. That is why most offices still implement work from home for their employees. Likewise, there are some schools that still do online learning. However, it is undeniable that work demand requires some employees to travel, both domestically and abroad. Several countries have also opened access for international visitors. This opens up opportunities for the public to be able to travel abroad, of course, with a number of conditions and health protocols that must be met. In addition to meeting the requirements such as having been vaccinated and implementing strict health protocols, for those of you who are going on business trips or tours, you can also minimize financial problems that may arise while traveling by protecting yourself and your family with travel insurance. Benefits of having travel insurance. First one, trip cancellation and change of date protection. Even though you already have a fixed schedule during your trip, cancellations and changes to your travel schedule are still one of the risks that may occur when you travel by public transportation, one of which is financial loss for you or the company you work for. For that, you can minimize these losses by having travel insurance that provides compensation in the event of a cancellation of a trip. For trip cancellations, travel insurance will compensate non-refundable prepaid expenses. As for trip changes, travel insurance will provide a reasonable additional cost to reschedule the trip. But keep in mind, these two benefits apply in accordance with the benefits listed in the policy that you have. Second, luggage damage and loss protection. It's no secret everyone who travels by public transportation has the risk of damage and loss of luggage. However, you don't need to worry about this risk because travel insurance also provides compensation if your baggage is damaged or lost. Third, emergency assistance for 24 hours. Travel insurance is the main helper when there is a risk abroad. Therefore, travel insurance generally provides emergency assistance for 24 hours. This standby assistance will provide guidance for you to be able to use the benefits and services covered by the policy if there is a risk during the trip. Fourth, medical costs and medical related expenses. One of the things that can trigger you to experience financial problems while traveling abroad is the risk of falling ill and needing to be treated at a local hospital, especially if you catch COVID-19 while traveling. Given the differences in exchange rates in each country, you will incur higher medical costs if this risk arises. However, you can minimize this concern if you buy travel insurance before traveling, because travel insurance will provide benefits in the form of reimbursement of medical expenses abroad according to applicable provisions in the policy. So you will avoid large expenses due to treatment when traveling abroad. Traveling in the midst of a pandemic certainly increases the risks you will face when traveling. However, there is no need to worry. Now there are insurance products that complete its coverage of benefits with protection related to COVID-19, namely single trip protection for people who make one round trip and annual trips for people with high travel mobility. In addition, You will also get the following benefits. First one, guarantee from before the trip, during the trip or after the trip. Second, reimbursement of unused and non-refundable travel expenses if the customer is positively infected with COVID-19. Third, medical costs and medical related costs if the customer is positively infected with COVID-19 abroad. Fourth, return early if a customer family traveling with them is infected with COVID-19 and is deemed by a doctor to be life-threatening and requires hospitalizations. So, for those of you who want to travel, whether on business or tourism, in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, don't forget to follow the vaccination program first and apply strict health protocols to stay safe during the trip. To complete protection for yourself and your family from the risk of loss during your trip, don't forget to apply for travel insurance.